Hi, my name is Dan Low. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write a program to solve this math problem. Okay, so this problem is this. So how do I find the smallest multiples of 19? That is over 100. Over 100, that means larger than 100, or not including 100. Okay, and make your program works for all cases. Smallest multiples of n, that is over m. Okay, so we want to find the smallest multiples of n, that's over m. Okay, so I provide two approaches or two methods to solve this problem. Okay, first, mathematical thinking. The second one is computational thinking. The two methods work fine, but it's just different thinking. Okay, so let's start with the mathematical thinking. So mathematical thinking means you solve this problem mathematically. Okay, so let's say you have the 19. You want to find the multiple of 19, and that's over, just about, over 19, over 100. So what you can do is you first, okay, let's put the comments here. You first do 100 divided by 19. Okay, and we know 100 divided by 19 is probably of 5. Okay, 5 is 95, 5 something, right? 5 something. Okay, so if you do the integer division, you get 5. Okay, but 5 is not over it, so you need to get 6 multiples. So the answer will be, you do 5 plus 1. Okay, that it will be 6. Okay, and times 19, that will be your answer. Okay, 5 times 19 is 95, not over 100, but 5 plus 1 with 6 times 19, which is equal to 11 114. Okay, so 114. Okay, so it's multiple of 19, that is smallest one, and that's over 100, and that's your answer. Okay, so we're gonna write a program to compute this. So you can say diff define a function. You can say just my function. Okay, my function, and my function will receive two numbers, n and m. Okay, so, and we assume m is larger than n. So if m is less than n, so we can return n, because m is less. Okay, that also means m larger than equal to n. Okay, m larger than equal to n. So what you can do is that you try to compute another the the a quotient. When you do the division, m divided by n. Okay, then m divided by n is, you put it the initial division, you put the x, and then you return x plus 1. Okay, let's say print. Okay, uh, give two numbers, my func. Okay, so you get two number, let's say 19, m is 19, and n is 19, m is 100. Okay, so you print it out. Okay, so you get 119. That'll be your answer. Looks like we got some problem here. Let's print x out. Got a typo. So we need to do this integer. Okay, otherwise it will not work. Okay, so now we got a 114. Okay, and we need to do another test. Let's say if m is multiple of n, let's say 38. Okay, whoops, 38 right here. And so let's see. So 30, if m is multiple of n, which is integer 38. So 38, then you will, so that because 38 is not larger than 38 basically, so you get the next one, the 38 plus 19 is 57. So that is the first program. And the next program I'm going to show you is computational thinking. So computational thinking, basically we try to do the multiple using the loop. So we try start from the smallest one, like 19, in this case 19. Okay, so we try smallest, try all possible, uh, try all possible multiple from the beginning. Okay, so we try 19 and 38, okay, 57 and so forth, to see if it's over 100. If over 100, then we stop. Okay, so in that case we need a loop. Okay, so the loop is simply uh, starting from the smallest one. So again, we define a function my fun 2 version 2. Okay, you got an n, you got an m in. Okay, now instead of do division, okay, so we now want to start out from the smallest possible one, which is n to begin with. Okay, and then we use a while loop. Okay, but before while loop we need to well, we can reuse n, that's not a problem. Okay, so while n is less than m, okay, less than m. Okay, if less than n, we keep going, you keep going. Okay, so if n is less than n, we do n is n plus n. Okay, so it's just add another multiple to it. Okay, and until n is larger than, oh, actually we should, if it n is less than or equal to m, okay, then we do this. So until n is larger than, strictly larger than m, then we're done. So we here we do the n is assigned the value m plus n, so to add one more to it. Okay, so that'll be it. At the end we return n. Okay, okay, so now we test it out. Let's see what happened. Okay, so we need another call block. Okay, so now I print out on my func2. Now we say 19 and 100. Okay, and run it. You get 152. So so 152. Okay, I guess you double it. Okay, here, so there's a bucket here, so we need to set we need to keep it, we need to have another variable to keep n. Okay, and so we do x is equal to x plus n, otherwise you need to double it every time, so we don't want to double it, we just want to add n one at a time. Okay, so run it again, so you should get a better result. Here I think I got some another mistake. I need to put the x less than this. Okay, otherwise it won't work. Okay, now I got 19. So if x is less than equal to m, then I add x to it. I keep going on here, and then finally I should return x, not return n. Okay. So now it's got 114. Okay. So if you try 38, okay, you should get answer 57. So similarly, if m is less than n, we're gonna return n in the my function too. That's the video I have for you. So if you like it, subscribe it, share, give comments, and thumbs up. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.